No priority on cookies used for website analytics. Yes, that's right. The ICO, Information Commissioner's Office, have announced this week that when the year hiatus ends on the 26th of May and they begin to enforce the new cookie laws, websites that use them to collect data for website analytics will not be a priority. There are many people who argue that this is the main reason people use cookies in the first place unless they are using them for unruly purposes, and that in this case surely things would have been easier if they had just enforced the law this way. So, what does this mean? Does this mean we can ignore the new law as the ICO will not be coming after us? Well, no, it doesn't, as they clearly state that us website owners should have already moved to find a way to warn potential customers who don't have a clear understanding of what cookies are and do, even though they have not strictly done this with their own website. What it does mean, though, is that if you haven't quite mastered it and you are only using them for this purpose, then you need not panic. The law falls under the European Union's Privacy and Electronic Communications Directive, which stated that the storage and use of a user's information can only be lawful with the user's freely given consent after issues were raised about the misuse of cookies and that capture user data. It was implemented to let computer users understand what and how cookies work and for what purpose, and the laws have been brought in to protect those people who do not have a clear understanding of this. But honest website owners argue that it is too harsh and will in fact punish the large majority of people who do use the data for innocent purposes, just to stop those who don't. The ICO will release further guidance in the near future to reveal how the enforcement will take place and how website owners can avoid falling foul of the new laws. At the moment, it is believed if you are found guilty of breaching these laws, the ICO have been given the authority to issue fines of up to £500,000. This may not sound like a lot in general, but when you think about how many small businesses have turned to, or are turning to online marketing in order to make profit, this could effectively put some companies out of business.